Marite Koto, are you ready to dance? Are you ready to sing? Are you ready to have some fun? Can you hear the trumpets? That must mean it's toy time! Horoke tato!
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching toy time, Mr. Daddy Longlegs rolling up to the ceiling. The sun it shines, the sun it shines, the sun it shines. Oh, Mama, Papa say you should go to school, learning so much fun. Can't wait to grow up and see the world with my own eyes. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time?
It's toy time fun, and when I'm really excited, we gonna have a good time, and you're all invited. We got Tama Dojama, Wolfie on marimba, and we got Anika Moore, yeah, we on my cuss. Tell me, are you ready to ride? Because we bringing the vibes to you right here on toy time.
What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! Aya! Tama! Jojo! Anita! 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, 5 o'clock, 6 o'clock. Spin it all around. 7 o'clock, 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock. When you're watching toy time, what's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time! What's the time, Mr. Wolf? What's the time? Toy time!
Tēnā koutou, ko Tama aho, my name is Tama, meet my whānau.
Kia ora, I'm Jojo. No mai e hoa ma, I'm Maya.
Hey, where are the others?
Kei konei maua.
Here we are. I'm Wolfie, the cuddliest wolf in town.
And I'm Oma. I'm a Rapati.
And this is our awesome whare.
We live here with our good friend Mōhio. Mōhio, mihi atu?
Tēnā koutou. Welcome, everyone.
Pretty cool, eh?
Ko tātou tēnā, that's everyone. Let's dance.
Yay!
Oma Rapati, Oma Rapati, Oma, Oma, Oma. Oma Rapati, Oma Rapati, Oma, Oma, Oma. Pico, 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 toro, pico. Toro, 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 pico, toro.
Tahi, rua, toru, whā. Kia ora.
Ah, I see what you two are doing there. We're giving you clues about what we're learning today.
What could it be?
Hey, Mōhio, do you know what we're learning about today?
Today we're learning about numbers.
Yes, ngā nama. Numbers are what we use to count things.
Like our fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5 fingers on each hand.
Well, come on. Let's see what else we can count today.
Oh, Tiro here. This is our wonderful arts and crafts space. Our mahi toy room. He hanga motoka te mahi tēnei rā. Today, I'm building a motor car. Now, I've already built the base of the car, but I was just about to pop my wheels on. Oh, now here they are. Let's count them together, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4. I have 4 wheels. Let's pop them on. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. What time is it on? Toy time, it must be mahi. Toy time, it's time to use our imagination. The fun has only just begun. Perfect. Oh no. Nope.
Kia ora, Maya. Cool motor car.
Thanks, Jojo, but I seem to have lost my steering wheel.
Here it is.
Thanks, Jojo. I have 1 steering wheel. Now, I just need to pop it on as the final piece of my motor car. Let's try it out, shall we?
Hang on, Maya. We need seatbelts.
Oh,
Here, I've got just what you need. 1, 2. 1 for me and 1 for you.
thanks, Jojo. Ooh. All right, buckle up. Are you ready? Me haere tātou. It's a beautiful day in this little place. I'm feeling really good, got a smile on my face. I'm driving in my car, see my friends from afar. My car's made of cardboard, I'm thinking how bizarre. Stroll right past them, roll right past them. Give it a little wave, then I go a little faster. I'm gonna go, gotta cruise all around because I love the sound of the wheels going round. Rolling in the neighborhood, and we're rolling in the neighborhood. It's a beautiful day in this little place. I'm feeling really good, got a smile on my face. I'm driving in my car, see some friends from afar. My car is made of cardboard, I'm thinking how bizarre. Stroll right past them, roll right past them. Give a little wave, then I go a little faster. I'm gonna go, gotta cruise all around, cause I love the sound of the wheels going round. In the neighborhood, in the neighborhood, and we're rolling in the neighborhood.
Tēnā koutou, I'm Buzz, and I'm off on the meanest adventures exploring the Taiao. Oh, today we're off to one of my favourite spots. We on Whai Mai. This is a dog park. It's a big open space where all the dogs can run free. Check this out. Whoops! Oh wait. Let's count how many dogs there are. Tahi, 1. Tua, 2. Toru, 3. Oh, Fa, 4. Hey, stay still, Fa. Oh, it's Fa, Tahi, Tua, Toru, Fa. Rima, 5. There's 5 dogs here. Oh, I want to play with them. Come on. Oh, I'd make a mean dog. He says his name is Pueke te Maunga Tokerau te Moana Taipa te Awa. Ngā te kahu te iwi, ngā pui nui tonu tutira maunga iwi aue. Oh, I know his name's Rodney. Arroo!
Quickly.
Did you hear that? It's coming from the door.
Who's there?
Boo!
Boo? Boo-hoo!
Don't cry, it's Buzz!
Oh,
Good one, cuz.
no! Hey, if you're here, then that must mean it's...
Takaro time! And you can't have Takaro time without me. I know all the best toys.
Well, what did you bring today?
I'll give you a clue. It goes down the tracks and it sounds like choo-choo. So, have you figured out what I brought for Takaro time today?
Is it an owl? Hoo-hoo?
Not hoo-hoo, choo-choo.
Okay, is it a cow? Choo-choo.
Not a cow choo-choo. Choo-choo. I choo-choo-choose a train set.
Karawe.
Oh, let's set it up right here.
Help, Maya. Check it out.
Okay. Tama. Tama.
Oh.
Okay. And... Okay.
The train.
La traina.
Catch up! Catch up to me!
Mene, mene. Kia ora. I'm Auntie Anika. I'm looking at my niho. Ah, my teeth. Can you show me your teeth? Oh, they're cool. Woohoo! It's very important to look after your teeth. You have to brush them twice a day. Once in the morning and once at night. I've actually got a cool waiata about brushing your teeth. Do you want to sing it with me? Okay, let's go.
When I'm eating my brekkie, I really look forward to chomping on the eggies. I brush my teeth because I am cool. I brush my teeth before I go to school. I brush, 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 brush. I brush, brush, brush till they're clean. I love to brush my teeth with you. I brush, 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 it's the thing to do. My breath good, is it good? When I'm eating my dinner, I really look forward to chomping, I'm a winner. I brush my teeth 'cause I love to eat. I brush my teeth before I go to sleep. I brush, 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 brush. I brush, brush, brush till they're clean. I love to brush my teeth with you. I brush, 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 it's the thing to do. Got great teeth, don't I? When I'm eating on the go, I really look forward to the time that I get home. I brush my teeth because I am cool. brusha, 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 brusha. I brusha, brusha, brusha till they're clean. I love to brush my teeth with you. I brusha, 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 it's the thing to do. I brusha, brusha, brush, 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 brush.
Is my breath okay? My teeth are lovely though, aren't they? Thank you.
I know what that sound means. Ooh, Lola has sent us a new video message. Let's watch it.
Hi guys, it's your Royal Colorado Queen here, Lola. Today I've got plenty of princesses to count for you. I've been collecting this princess for years and years. I don't know how many I have. Let's count them, shall we? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. I've got 18 toys on my bed. That's a lot. I've got 2 heroes and 3 baddies. The baddies are the evil Queen from Fabulous, by the way. We've got a Gaston, and we've got my TV. He's not evil, he's about me. I love Mike. Bye, guys.
Let's go driving. See what we can see, we're counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, look out the window. Look carefully, how many bicycles can you see? I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go driving. See what we can see, we're counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, look out the window. Look carefully, how many big trucks can you see? I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go driving. See what we can see, we're counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, look out the window. Look carefully, how many tall cranes can you see? I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go driving. See what we can see, we're counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, look out the window. Look carefully, how many traffic lights can you see? I'm counting 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's go driving. See what we can see, we're counting numbers. 1, 2, 3, look out the window. Look carefully, how many people can you see? 1,
2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7,
8, 9, 10.
There's so many people! What's the time, Wolfie?
Well, Oma, it's tickling time!
Oh, no! Hey, Oma, chase me!
Hey, Oma Rafferty!
What an amazing day we're having counting with our numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Mōhio,
Tēnā koe, Jojo. How can I help you?
do you know how to count?
Of course. Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima.
Ah, ka waneke. You can count in te reo Māori.
I can count in many languages, Jojo. Yi, san, si, wu.
Is that Mandarin? Wow. I bet I know a language you can't speak, Mōhio.
Nera.
That is how you count in New Zealand Sign Language.
Ka pai, Jojo. Ko koe a runga. If I had hands, I'd give you a round of applause.
I got you.
We're practicing our numbers.
We're about to sing a waiata that uses both te reo Māori and te reo Rotarota, sign language. Whai mai.
Tahi, rua, toru, wha, rima, ono, fitu, waru, iwa, tekau, ane ngā nama e. Tahi, rua, tahi rua toru whae, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Tahi rua toru wha, rima, ono, fitu aru iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Iwa tekau. Iwa tekau.
What a busy day we've had today.
Oh, say, I'm pooped.
I think I'm ready for a nap.
Hey, Wolfie, I think we might be forgetting something.
Well, we've practiced our counting and we've sung lots of songs too.
And we played games, and we danced lots too.
What else is there to do?
Oh, Wolfie, I know. Yeah, tere, it's time.
What time is it, Oma?
It's time for a story.
Oh, it's time for a story. Whaimai, let's go.
It's that time again, whānau. It's story time. And we love stories. The humongous slide. Down by the beach, there's the best park ever. Nico whips around in the cup with his hair flying. Giddy, he then tries to walk. Wobble, wobble, crash. Jade climbs up the stairs to the top of the baby slide. She looks at the big kids section where the humongous slide climbs into the sky. Big boys fly down it. The baby slide has glue on it, thinks Jade. Go slow, glue. Do you want to go on the humongous slide? Jade's mum asks. Yes. Oh, shall we wait till the big boys have gone? No. Well, there are 100 steps. Oh, please, says Jade. Up close, the slide is bigger than it was before. Shinier, steeper. Jade's half the size of the big boys. Jade breathes in. Nico roars a lion roar. Jade runs for the slide. Nico roars again. A big boy pushes past Jade, and then another one pushes past her. Jade wonders about going back down. Nearly at the top, another big boy pushes past her. My turn, he says. Oh, tears hit Jade's eyes. They sting, so she closes them. Go away, tears. Have the big boys finally gone? Oh, Jade dashes to the slide, determined. Another big boy blocks Jade. No, my turn. Looking straight at the big boy, Jade says it again. My turn.
Haerera, we've got to go. We've had a good time, we'll see you tomorrow. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. We all hope you had a good day. A kani kai and a really good play. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Tō wha soi wha e noho rā. Ka kite anō, we'll see you again. Woo! Bye bye. Have a good day, everybody.